Hello everyone. Take the top section of the hair and tie a rubber band around it. Take a section of the hair from the left side, tie a rubber band and roll the hair in on itself through the section. Do the same for the right side as well. Join both the side sections at the back. Do this on either side, and then afterwards, when you come to the bottom, divide it into two portions and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, taking sections from either side, make them small sections, make them intercross in the middle, and then join the other side respectively. Continue to do this, loosen the sides using your fingers once again. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself through the section. Divide it into two parts and starting with the left side, begin to make a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to the bottom once you are done with this, and then afterwards do the same out of the right side as well. Now, roll the hair upwards and then twirl it. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Take a section of the hair from the left side, begin to make a braid out of it, and as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Do this on either side. Once you do this on either side, take some decorative pins and then add it in the center and all about. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie them up at the back. Now, after this, roll the hair in on itself through the section and tighten it. Divide this portion into two parts and then make two braids out of it. Roll these braids upwards, twirl it, and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Afterwards, take a section of the hair at the back, begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair, make them small sections from either side, and then join it into this braid. Now, continue to do so until you reach the bottom, and then make sure that they are very narrow sections that you are adding in. This way, there will be a gap on either side as such. Continue to do so until you reach the bottom. You may also add a decorative pin in the middle of it and the bottom of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, take a small section of this tie up, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Pull the rest of the other section through it, add a rubber band at the base. Now make a braid out of the hair, lift it upwards and pull it through. Make two braids on either side, join it on either side, use a pin in order to fasten it in its place. It can be a decorative pin. Now take a small section out of the section and then begin to make another braid out of it in the middle. Now after you have done this, after you have loosened either side of it, add two decorative pins at the bottom of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Afterwards, divide the section into two parts, begin to make a braid out of it. Make a braid out of the other side of it as well. Once you do this, then tie a rubber band to it and then roll both of these upwards. Make a twirl circular shape out of it and then tie it up to the top as such. Fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Do the same out of the other side as well. Do this and then pin it up at the bottom of the top section. Now add a decorative clip in the middle of it all as such. This will be the final look of this hairdo. Next, we'll start off by taking this 3-level decorative clip. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then insert it into the middle level of the clip. Take a section of the hair from the right side, twist it, and then insert it into the middle level of the clip. Take a section of the hair from the right side and insert it into the right side of the clip. Take a small section of the hair from the left side, divide it into two parts, and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, take two small sections from either side, interchange it in the middle, making it join the other side respectively. Now do the same out of the right side, join the two together in the middle at the back, and tie a rubber band to it. Add decorative clips on top. Thank you for watching.